Did you know I still love you? Even after all this time, girl, I'm still thinking of you. If I could only press rewind when I was spending weekends staring at my coffee.
Papa, panjang umur, sehat selalu, mudah rezekinya, sayang untuk kami selalu, mencintai istri dan anak-anaknya.
Even after all this time.
Happy birthday, Papa. Panjang umur, sehat selalu, sayang sama Papa, dari anak saya.
If I could only press rewind. Like I lose my mind, trying to fall asleep by trying to convince myself that we're better off this way. Chilling, watching movies, trying not to text you, cause I know exactly what you say. Yeah, did you know that I loved you? But baby, after all this time, I'm so much better without you. And you could never change my mind. But did you know?
Happy birthday!
Did you know I still love you? If I could only press rewind.